My name's Danielson. I'm a final year postgraduate student at Durham University doing astrophysics. I became an astronomer because I've always really loved science. Since I was a child, I've always wanted to understand how things work, not just why they're there, but just really how they work. So, for example, with astronomy, my dad and my granddad would take me out to see the stars, and I'd look at them and I think they were so beautiful, but I also really wanted to understand how did they get there, why are we here, all that sort of thing. Then when I started at secondary school, I had a really inspiring teacher who I'd say really helped me to realise I could do anything. I told him when I was 13 that I wanted to be an astronomer, and he said, absolutely, go for it. And he really encouraged me to go for it. He always made science so exciting. He had loads of fun demonstrations, and he just helped us realise how important science is for everything that we do. What do I enjoy most about being an astronomer? It's probably partly just that it's a great network of people. We're all striving together to find something new, but then it's also great that it's independent learning, so your timetable is your own. Hopefully at the end of each day you might have found out something that we didn't know before about the universe, and that's such an exciting concept. And even more so by the end of my PhD, when I write my thesis, I hope that that will contain stuff that nobody knew about the universe before. And that's an amazing opportunity I've got to really push the boundaries of science. In my free time, I mostly do a lot of music. That's my main hobby. I've always done that since I was a child. Since I was about 7, I started the violin and piano, and more recently I've started playing guitar as well, just for fun. Yeah, I just find it a really relaxing thing to do. I mean, it's challenging to the mind, but it's also something that's so different from my everyday research. How do I inspire people about my work? I think, for a start, I think astronomy is already very inspiring. A lot of people find it very exciting, and it's something where anyone can go out their door and look at the sky. I go into quite a few schools and talk to children of all different ages, and one of the main ways we try and inspire them is using a blow-up planetarium, because actually a lot of people live in very built-up areas where they can't see the sky, and it really helps to take in a planetarium and they can sit under the stars, and it inspires them to ask a lot of crazy questions. People might see things in Star Trek and wonder if that could actually happen, and so you get excellent questions about black holes and wormholes and things like that, and being able to talk to a scientist who actually works on those things is really inspiring for children.